Hello everyone, my name is Donna and I am the Creole Crafter. Thank you for tuning into my channel. The DIY project that I'll be doing today will be a wooden toolbox. Now here I have two of those wooden houses. You can find those at Dollar Tree if you decide to do this project. You need the rectangular shape wooden planks also from Dollar Tree, and you need some type of flowers. You can use whatever flowers you choose, whichever ones you like. I just so happen to like those. I don't remember the name of them, but yeah. And you'll see at the end of the video, I've changed my mind about those flowers and I'm going to use something else. But here I'm showing you the wood glue that I'll be using. And also I have a dowel rod that I'm going to cut down and use. Now here what I'm doing is I'm just taking the rectangular planks and I'm going to glue those to the side of the wooden houses. I'll glue one to each side of the houses. And that's going to be like the side of the toolbox. And I'm going to use the wood glue and some hot glue. And of course, you know, the wood glue is for a permanent hold, and the hot glue is for a temporary hold. And I just, you want to put the glue on the side of the houses, because that's where the plank is going, as you can see there. And you want to put it exactly on the edge of each side of the house. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side of the two houses. Now we have both sides of the toolbox, and those sides, it makes it one piece. Now here what I'm doing is I'm trying to figure out how to put a bottom in the toolbox, and I'm going to try to stand them up vertically, and I'll take the two planks and I'll put them at the bottom on each side just to see if I can do it like that. And as you see, that's not going to work because there's a gap in the middle of it where they don't fit. So I turn the planks horizontal, and I like the way that fit like that. So what I'm going to do is just leave it at the bottom and flip it over as you just saw. And I'm just going to take my pencil, as you'll see in a minute, and just measure where I need to cut, and I'll just cut it to make it fit. I hope everyone is having a wonderful evening, morning, or night, whichever it may be that you're watching this video. And I used my utility knife, and all I did was I left it on that cutting mat, and I used a ruler and just cut it with that knife. And I think I had to make like maybe 3 or 4 cuts, and it popped. So I took a piece of scrap, what's the name of that wood? Anyway, scrap wood, to hold the 2 planks together. And I used, as you see, the super glue, wood glue, and hot glue. And all I'm doing here now is just gluing it to the toolbox, the bottom. Craft sticks, that's what I did. Some scrap craft sticks that I had. You can use craft sticks, paint stick, whichever you have. Okay, now it's one piece. It's a toolbox now. And that's one of those dowel rods. I think, I got that from Walmart. And what I did was I measured it and I cut it to size so it could fit. And you want to cut it so it can fit kind of snug, because once you glue it together, you can't. The houses won't move. So you have to measure your dowel rod so it can fit snug in there. It has to be like an exact cut to the fit, your measurements. And all I did was put some glue on it and just glued it to the top of both, each side of the house on the inside. Well, you see what I'm doing. And right here I'm using Waverly's antique wax, because I want it to have that like antique wooden look, like an old rugged toolbox. And all I'm doing is just painting it on with a paintbrush and wiping it off with a baby wipe. And I'll do the entire box inside and outside. And here is one of those flexible stencils from Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna stencil the word thankful on one side of the box. Don't forget, if you like this project, if you like my channel and you like my videos, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be reminded when I upload a video. Now, if you subscribe and you do that, it helps my channel. It helps YouTube to recognize my channel more. And, I'm really trying to get more DIY friends. I'm kind of new to the game, if you feel me. And all I'm doing here is taking some painter's tape and taping down the edges so the stencil don't move while I'm stenciling it. And that's the Cracker Barrel antique parchment paint that I'm going to use. And I'll be using one of those little foam daubers from Dollar Tree. They come like 3 in a pack. It's a small, medium, and large one. And I find that they work great for stenciling, especially small, projects like this. They're pretty good for that. I guess I could have speeded this up. A lot of times I speed up stuff that I shouldn't speed up, and what I should speed up, I don't. That all comes when you're an amateur editor. And I am an amateur. One day I'll be a professional. And you just pounce up and down over the words with the paint. And you guys, feel free to leave me a comment. I would love to know what you think. I mean, you don't just have to comment about the DIY. We can talk about anything, and I'll be more than happy to respond to your comment. We can talk about the weather. We can talk about anything. And here is some of those leaves that I found those at Dollar Tree, and they have an adhesive on the back of them, and all you do is peel the adhesive off and they stick, and that adhesive that's on the back of them is really, really strong. I didn't have to use any glue or anything. I just stuck them on. So here you see I changed my mind about the flowers that I had in the beginning. I like those flowers I had in the beginning, but I thought these would look better in the toolbox. And those are just ivory roses and some type of greenery from Dollar Tree. And I am using refurbished floral foam. I probably used those for other project that I did, and took it apart and saved the floral foam. I know you guys can feel me on that one. And I'm just clipping the greenery off the stem. And I'll do the same thing for the flowers, so they can be individual flowers. And I can place them wherever I want randomly in the toolbox. And I think this turned out so cute, and it's not hard, it's simple. If I can do it, you can do it too. And you just place your flowers wherever you want in the toolbox. You do your own arrangement, what looks pleasing to you. And that's what I'm doing here. And you guys, my main goal is to create beautiful projects. I mean, beautiful decor. And my main thing is to inspire someone. So I hope that my projects do inspire someone. If I can inspire just one person, then I've achieved what I've set out to do. And here I'm just the greenery. Those stems are kind of tall, and I didn't like that, so what I did was I just took the scissors and I cut them down to a size that was appealing to me, that I liked, with the roses. And that's all I did, was just trim, give them a little trim. And I added another rose because it looked like it had a gap in the back. It didn't look full enough for me, so I just added another rose to it, and I was satisfied with that. And there it is. I think just came out so cute, and it was so simple to make, and it's so amazing. Simple stuff can look so beautiful. I want to thank you guys again for tuning into my channel, and I hope you stuck with me until the very end. And again, if you like my project and you feel in my channel, subscribe to it. Give me a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified, because I will be uploading more videos. And there it is, my beautiful little toolbox. Again, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys again. Bye.